Exercise 14.1 in that question number 4. 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor and the number of heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as follows. Find the mean heartbeats per minute for these women. Choosing a suitable method. Again, choosing a suitable method. See, number of heartbeats per minute. Here 65 to 68. So like this table is given. That is number of women also he has given. That is frequency. So now we will put a table. So here I will put a diagram, this one. Here I will first calculate this direct method here. So here actually this direct method is not suitable for this one. But here I will make both methods here. So next onwards I will go for whichever suitable, that method I will adopt here. And here number of women. Number of women. So this is equal to Fi. So Xi also will calculate. Then Fi into Xi will calculate. So 65 to 68, 68, 71, 71, 74, so 74 to 77, so 77 to 80, and here 80 to 83, 80, 83, and here 83 to 86. This is 83 to 86. So here number of women 2, 4, 3, 8, 7, 4, 2. Okay. Here Xi we will calculate. Xi is nothing but what? Xi is that is class interval. Class intervals means that is 65, 68 by 2. That is upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. That is, so 133 by 2, 66.5. Okay. So this will be 66.5. So in this way we have to calculate here. 66.5 and then this is 69.5 and here 72.5, 75.5 and here 78.5, 81.5 and here 84.5. Okay, this one Fi into Xi we have to calculate. See here the multiplication, it involves again larger numericals. 2 into 66.5 we have to calculate here. Okay, I will calculate here. Here I have multiplied this 2 into 66.5, 133, this one 278, 217.5, 604, 549.5, 326, 169, because this is 2 into this one. Here this total I have added, that it comes to 2277. And here also the frequency is 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2, that is equal to 30. Now the formula for calculating that mean, that is equal to X bar, so which is equal to sigma of Fi into Xi divided by sigma Fi. This is equal to 2277 divided by 30. This comes to, this is equal to 75.9. You can calculate this by this assuming mean method also. Okay, that also we will calculate here. Here second method, that is assuming mean method, I will calculate. Here assuming mean method, this method also we will calculate. Here same thing I will write here. Now here I will write 65 to 68, 68 to 71. Okay, so 71 to 74, 74 to 77. Okay, 77 to 80, 80. So 80 to 83, 83 to 86. Okay, here he has given 2, 4, 3, 8, 7, that is 4, 2. Okay, this they have given. So now what we have to write here? Here class mark, as usual, class mark we have to calculate. That is equal to Xi. This Xi can be calculated as same, that is upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. That is 65 plus 68 by 2. This is equal to 133 by 2, which is equal to 66.5. So here 66.5 and here that is 69.5 and 72.5 and 75.5 and here 78.5, 81.5 and here 84.5. So now here we have to assume one mean here. Here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 classes are there. So here 1, 2, 3 we have to leave here. 1, 2, 3 leave. So this middle one. So this one be. So in this class we will assume this one as, that is assuming mean. That is assumed mean. Assumed mean, that is A is equal to 75.5. Okay. Here I will calculate Xi minus A. So that is 66.5 minus 75.5. So here this is first one 66.5 minus 75.5. Okay. So this is equal to what? Minus 9. This is equal to minus 9. So now here 69.5 minus 75.5. So this is equal to minus 6. Okay. So 72.5 minus 75.5. This is equal to minus 3. Like this. Here this is 0. Because 75.5 minus 75.5. This is 78.5 minus 75.5. So this is equal to plus 3. So here 81.5 minus 75.5 is equal to plus 6. So 84.5 minus 75.5. Okay, this is plus 9. Now here this is xi minus a we have got. So ui is equal to xi minus a divided by h. So what is this h? H is the class interval. Class interval that is denoted by h, which is equal to upper class limit minus lower class limit. Here 68 minus 65. So this is bandwidth also we can call. So this is equal to 3. This 3 we have to multiply. Minus 9 by 3 is equal to minus 3. Okay. So minus 6 by 3 is equal to minus 2. Minus 3 by 3 is equal to minus 1. This is equal to 0 by 3 is equal to 0. 3 by 3 is equal to plus 1. This is plus 1. So 6 by 3 is equal to plus 2. 9 by 3 is equal to plus 3. Now we can multiply this fi into ui. Here this fi into ui. Minus 3 into 2, that is equal to minus 6. Minus 2 into 4, minus 8. So this will be easy for multiplication, because whatever the numericals may be, so it will comes into up to within 10 only decimals we will get here. Minus 8, this is 3 minus 1, that is here 2. fi into ui, 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. So here 0 into anything, 0. Plus 1 into 7, that is equal to 7. Plus 2 into 4, that is 8. 3 into 2, 6. This is sigma fi into ui. This is equal to 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 minus 3, 18. 18 minus 8, 10. 10 minus 6, that is plus 4. Okay. This is equal to plus 4. Sigma of fi, that is equal to 30. That what we have calculated here also. So this is 30. Now the mean formula, that is mean is equal to a plus h into sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi. So here a means what? Here 75.5 plus h means 3 into here 4 by 30. Okay. So 3 ones are 3 tens are. So 2 twos are 2 fives are. So here 75.5 plus 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 is nothing but what? 75.5 plus here 0.4. This is equal to 75.9. Here we have got 75.9. So in the first method also we have got 75.9 only. Both methods are correct. So now here by observing these two methods, what we have understood, here the method is simple, but it involves multiplication of a larger numericals. Only thing is, so here only 2 columns are extra here, but the multiplication factor will be very less. This will be of course somewhat easy than this one, first method. Assuming mean method will be suitable method for this one. Okay, we will go for next one. So exercise 14.1 in that question number 5. In a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing boxes. These boxes contained varying number of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. Here the number of mangoes. Here 50 to 52 mangoes are in 50 number of boxes. Okay. 53 to 55 they are in 110. Here 56, 58, 135 boxes. Like this distribution he has. This is the number of mangoes in a box. Find the mean number of mangoes. Mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box. Which method of finding the mean did you choose? If you go by direct method, see here it involves the multiplication of, see here 110 into 50, like this 110, 50. So this is it. It involves a multiplication of bigger numbers. So now it is better to go for assuming mean method. I'll put a table here. Here assuming mean method, here number of mangoes. Okay, this is number of mangoes. Here number of boxes. This is frequency. And here I will write here 50 to 52, 53 to 55, and 56 to 58, and 59 to 61, 62 to 64. Okay, only this one he has given. Number of boxes here 15, 110, so 135, 115 and 25. Here as usual we will calculate class mark, that is equal to xi. So this I will calculate. This is, that is xi is equal to what it is, upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. So for example 50 plus 52 divided by 2, and it is equal to 102 by 2 equal to 51. So here it is equal to 51. and in the same way it is equal to 54 because middle term, and here 57. So 60, 63. Here we will assume mean method, that is A as is equal to, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is fifth one. This one we will choose. So here this is 57. So A is equal to 57 I will choose. A is equal to 57. So xi minus 57 we have to calculate. So here in that way 51 minus 57 is equal to minus 6. 54 minus 57 is equal to minus 3. So 57 minus 57 equal to 0. 60 minus 57 is equal to plus 3. 63 minus 57 equal to 6. Now here ui is equal to xi minus a divided by h. H is the class interval. In the earlier problems what we are calculating, that is upper class limit minus lower class limit. Here as per that this 52 minus 50 that we have to calculate. But here you see in this group 50 to 52 and 52 to 53 it is missing here. Okay, so 55 to 56 missing here. So for that we have to take this 50 and 53 total, that is one class interval. Here upper class limit we have to take as a 53 here, and this is lower as a 50. So that is equal to 3, because in the earlier problem, so suppose if it was 50 to 52 and 52 to 54, 54 to 56, if it was like this, then we can take as 52 minus 50 as a class interval. But here see, there is a gap 50 to 52, after that 53 to 55 is there. Okay, so here what we have to do, so this is 52 to 53 is missing. So for that 50 is the lower class limit, 53 is the upper class limit. So in that way we have to take. So here in this case class interval we have to take as, that is 53 minus 50. Okay, that we have to take here. So that is equal to 3 now. So now here when class interval, that is h equal to 3. So minus 6, this is equal to ui is equal to x minus a, this is x minus a, divided by h means divided by 3. So minus 6 by 3 is equal to what? This is minus 2. So minus 3 by 3 is equal to minus 1. So 0 by 3 is equal to 0. So 3 by 3 is equal to 1. 6 by 3 is equal to plus 2. So now here fi into ui we have to calculate. That is the multiplication of this one and with this one. So 15 into minus 2, that is minus 30. 110 into minus 1, that is minus 110. So this is 0 into anything 0. So here 1 into 115, that is 115 plus 115. So this is plus. So 2 into 25, that is plus 50. Here this is sigma fi into ui is equal to, see this we have to calculate, that is 165, this is plus, 165 is plus, this is 140 is minus, that is 140, 25. Here plus 25, this is plus 20. Here sigma fi that we have to calculate, that is equal to 400. This 25, 115, 135, 110 plus 50, that is equal to 400. Here we have to calculate the mean here. Okay, the mean of the mean formula is given by, it is equal to a plus h into sigma fi ui divided by sigma f. This is equal to a means what here? Here a is 57 plus, that is h, that is class interval, that is 3 into, this is 25 divided by 400. So now here 57 plus here this is 400 means 25, 5 5 is 25, 5 8 is 40, 5 1 is 5 1 is, that is 5 6 is, that is 3 by 16 here remaining here. So this is equal to 57 plus 0.1875. This is equal to 57.1875. 57.1875, that is mean. This is approximately is equal to 57.19. This is mean of this data. Okay, we will go for next one. Exercise 14.1, in that question number 6. The table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a localities. Here daily I will write here. This I will calculate with assuming mean method. This method I will use, that is assuming mean method. Okay, because it involves 200, 300 numbers. Okay, it has to be multiplied. So for that I will go for this one, daily expenditure. Okay, in rupees, and here number of households. This is equal to fi. Here 100 to 150 and 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300, 300 to 350. Here this is 4 number of households, 5, 12, 2, 2. Xi I will write. Xi is equal to what? This Xi is equal to 100 plus 150 divided by 2. That is Xi is equal to 100 plus 150 divided by 2. That is upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. That is 250 by 2, which is equal to 125. That is middle term of this one, 125, and here 175, and here 225, 275, and here 325. This is Xi. Now we will calculate that assumed mean. Assumed mean we will assume. Assumed mean, that is equal to A, which is equal to, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. So center one, that is equal to 225. Assumed mean will be 225. Xi minus A we will calculate, that is 225. So 125 minus 225 is equal to minus 100, and 175 minus 225 is equal to minus 50. 225 minus 225 equal to 0. 275 minus 225 equal to plus 50. 325 minus 225 is equal to, here, that is 100. Xi minus A divided by H, which is equal to Ui. And here H is nothing but class interval. Class interval. Class interval is equal to 150 minus 100 by 2, which is equal to 50 by 2 and equal to 25. So class interval is 25. Minus 100 divided by 25 is equal to minus 4. Minus 50 divided by 25 equal to minus 2. 0 by 25 equal to 0. 50 by 25 equal to plus 2. 100 by 25 equal to plus 4. Here sigma Fi into Ui. So this into this we will calculate. Minus 4 into 4, minus 16. Minus 2 into 5, minus 10. 0 into anything 0. Plus 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. Okay, this is 4 into 2. So now here we will add here. So sigma Fi into Ui is equal to 8 plus 4, 12. 12 minus 10 plus 2. Plus 2 minus 16 minus 4. Sigma Fi is equal to what? 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 12, that is 21. 23, 25. This is equal to 25. The mean formula here, that is mean of this one is equal to, here A plus H into sigma Fi Ui divided by sigma F. Here A is nothing but what? That is assumed mean. So assumed mean is equal to what? Assumed mean equal to, this is 225. 225, here 25. This. Here A is equal to 225 plus H is nothing but 25 into sigma Fi Ui. That is equal to minus 14 divided by 25. Okay. This is equal to 225 plus this 25 gets cancelled. This is equal to minus 14. So 225 minus 14 is equal to what? 225 minus 14. This is equal to 211. Okay. This mean is equal to 211.